before you all start panicking, I can tell you this happened before back in August when we woke up that Monday morning and the market sold off over 1,000 points. The same thing happened this morning. Market pulled back over 1,000 points, was give back, but the greatest thing is these are buying opportunity. I spoke about it yesterday and I was waiting for this to happen. Therefore, I can have some leverage in the market and also benefit from the pullback. So the greatest thing that happened is 10-year Treasury yield is pulling back. This is something we want to see because prior to this 10-year Treasury yield went all the way up and the market was just pulling back continuously pulling back. So history has made it again and over again. Nvidia shed almost 600 billion in one market cap, biggest one-day loss in the US history. And if you think that this is something you all are in for a surprise, because I can tell you Wednesday, when you see this FMOC meeting decision take place, if this is not what the market is looking for, I can tell you we're going to see maybe another 1,000 points pull back. So if you think Nvidia is cheap at 100 and let me just make sure I'm giving you factual information. If you think Nvidia is cheaper at $118, no, sorry. If you think Nvidia is cheap at $116, don't be surprised if you see Nvidia at back in the 80s or $90 a share. Look at this pullback. You think we have any support here? No, we don't. The next support is at $101, or I can tell you that $91 might be our best friend. Look at the RSI, still no support in line. Look at our MACD, we're hovering down here, negative, RSI negative. You think the market is just going to pull right back on in a couple hours? No, it doesn't work like that. Chances are Nvidia might pull. We don't know where the next support is. But if you can see the last time this happened where Nvidia pulled right on back to $91, look what it did. It pushed and make a new high. Even pulled back, but not to previous. But again, it went to $116 today. And look at our MACD, no support. Look at our RSI, one way they're pointing downwards. There's no future for this. So far reported this morning, earnings wasn't good, plus the market pulling back brought the stock from $18 back to 16. And I can tell you on Wednesday, if this continue to show, if the market continue to show its stronger side, we can expect nothing other than a huger pullback. I can tell you because I have seen it before and I strongly agree that it's going to happen again. But other than that, excuse me, great news are ahead where the market is reporting unemployment and Chicago PMI on Friday. And we heard from SoFi this morning and it wasn't good. SoFi pulled back. And on Wednesday, we get in the FMOC meeting and continue the rest of the week with nothing other than reports from all of the big tech, Microsoft, Meta, Apple, Tesla, you name it. They're reporting Wednesday from the big tech. So stay tuned for that. And not much to go over today rather than one stock that we all counted out make a huge run up today, which is Target. So they were trading at $120 to $142 a share, a 3% gap up while market is tanking. And again, don't you dare think that market is finished. Market is not finished. This is how market traps a lot of people. Even though Meta was up 1.9% on the day while market pullback, which is great, but Nvidia feel it the most. And I can tell you that more sell-off is in the tank coming. SMCI respectively pulled back to 128 to $28, $29. Is 17 back in play? Definitely yes. So before we do anything, I can tell you wait for proper, I would say, direction. Wait for the market to consolidate. Wait for the market to show a stronger hand before you ever think about buying any stock right now, because I can tell you cheap can even get cheaper. It's something I have seen, and I am waiting to see what the market does for the rest of the week. But again, feel free to like and comment and let me know if I can help you in the market. But until then, stay tuned for more.